In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your webcam to Microsoft Teams on a Mac. Whether you're using a built-in laptop camera, an external USB camera, or a professional DSLR or mirrorless camera, I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about connecting your camera to your Mac. If you're using the built-in webcam on your laptop, you're already good to go. There's nothing additional required from your end. However, if you're using an external USB webcam, plug it directly into one of the available USB ports on your computer. For those using a professional camera, like a DSLR or mirrorless, you'll want to use a capture card, such as the Elgato Cam Link. Alternatively, use any webcam utility software offered by your camera's manufacturer to make the connection. Once your camera is connected, it's essential to confirm that your Mac recognizes it. Head over to your system settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security, and then click on Camera. Here you'll see a list of cameras. Ensure your preferred camera is listed and not blocked by any privacy settings. Next, it's time to adjust settings in Microsoft Teams itself. Open the Microsoft Teams application on your Mac. Look for your profile picture located at the top right corner and click on it. After doing so, select Settings from the drop-down menu and then head over to the Devices section. In the Devices settings, you'll come across the Camera section. Click on the drop-down menu to see a list of available cameras. Choose the camera you'd like to use, whether it's your built-in webcam, a USB camera like the Logitech HD webcam, or perhaps a Cam Link 4K. After selecting one, you should see a live preview of your video feed, helping you ensure everything is functioning as expected. Before jumping into any meetings, let's make sure everything looks great. In the team settings, you can click on Make a Test Call. Here, you'll have the chance to check your camera's lighting, angle, and the overall video clarity. Take this opportunity to make any necessary adjustments to your setup. Now you're ready to use your camera in a meeting. Each time you join a meeting, you can toggle the camera on or off on the pre-join screen. Teams is designed to remember your last selected camera, making future calls seamless. If you ever need to switch cameras mid-meeting, you can do so by clicking on More, and then going to Device Settings, and that's it. With these steps, you're all set to use your camera with Microsoft Teams on a Mac. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your virtual meetings a bit smoother.